discretion.
We think it's mighty funny when you're holding a gun. And the last two things to cross a mind are the last two letters of the Hollywood sign. We think it's mighty funny when you're holding a gun. And the last two things to cross a mind are the last two letters of the Hollywood sign. One day you learn the crown doesn't fit you.
Do like a 3 points of contact thing, so like 2 hands on 1 foot or 2 feet in 1 hand. Before Joey asked, your penis isn't a point of contact. We're just here on the left, Joey. Put your face towards the wall. That's it.
Can't seem to face up to the facts. I'm tense and nervous and I can't relax.
Does it look steep from there, Joey?
Sleep 'cause my bed's on fire. Don't touch me, I'm a real live wire. Psycho killer.
Yeah, stay safe if you climb that. That's where people fall.
Psycho killer, qu'est-ce que c'est? Run, 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 run away. Psycho killer, qu'est-ce que c'est?
There is like a Kappa over there.